Asubanada noda polokin temini salo didi eya itakorno ka pia eya kait haruna kasolo cheyune ka laro eknuke mokori ko di salo bukede ya sidabu kasolo limokena itungalo bukede be Uganda nesikwane ya dokena no Carlos digitalization arai aijine no akrono ke lago balabe tachedo kona loda ya pugana itosomada mobile money tosoma cheda application ne baka be wendi sida raibor ne buna itidi share da tokishon ne mena situnga temarbe je photocopying si charges kwada kwa nairari tungaye wonyara wonjaro mobile money ole munetunga nike kapun
by supporting financial inclusion initiatives like WND and strategically investing in programs initiatives that lift the wananchi. The growing success of Parish Movement model is a testimony of our government's commitment to support the improvement of the people.
Julius Kaketo lode yaita banks kerelu ko post bankania kwa po lude ageunete application ngine baka wendi abe wendi mesida kwa nebuna ngarakani tunga lemuni kapunu kech kadio iboy city kere aitegero na ka wendi nesida arena rucho kina kedalu ko MTN keda housing finance
and post bank. We've launched Wendy. Wendy is a digital wallet. What it does, it makes sure that beneficiaries can receive money from where they are without coming to the bank. And they can actually deposit and do a lot of other services, including repayment of their loans, buying several things. It can be fertilizer.
Aitegero na ka wendi nesida arena rucho kina kedalu ko MTN keda housing finance Nidabu Silvia Mulinge na de rai yaiton MTN kerea kwa woko baldabe MTN nesida da jaunu kere simunu nepetai lukumini yara kwa taka nyare kanuda ngarake isako ikere lude jasi ai toloto da krono wa etachi kapunulu.
The government vision in terms of driving the whole parish development model, which seeks to create a more inclusive Uganda to ensure that everybody gets the benefits of the wealth creation that is being created in this country. And I think for us, on the invitation of Post Bank, we really feel deeply honored and very greatly privileged to be participating in the wealth creation of Uganda.
Nyara dikotnen lode rai loyeta kono ka gwelnara no districta arai bonat senior commercial officer Godfrey Moses team ngezida bu itacha itunga kedada ngajapenore
Isirigin lo parish development model itoto si osimun mero of account numbers anuna arai e prosila ngara account yapi nepekolo ikorason ine ikapuna jasitunga ilikunda kwa tare akisaka nyari Eipone konyeke the new initiative lo le baka wendi e beid kwa lanso anyune bipero sa kola Isirigin luipo ne jasitunga nepetai ikapuna joka pugan buke disitlo bukedia erasi biloni nitomna kanyape kidi milioni na kwa tare akisaka nyauni.
David Wright Opus TV East kwa Bukedia district.